Let me tell you a story. Or let's put it this way, start a story. A story of a couple that lives comfortably in one of the safest and cleanest countries in the world. Both college graduates working full-time with good income, building the stable future close to family and friends in a good environment. But there's one problem in the equation. The real dream is to challenge themselves and see the world in all its harshness, beauty and diversity. Not to settle down, not just yet. Hi, I'm Lauri and here's my girlfriend Emma. We are just an ordinary active couple living comfortably here in Finland, next to Finnish capital Helsinki. Our family includes also a 4-year-old Alaskan Malamute Nanuk and his big sister, cat named Zorro. We have all the ingredients to build our life, settle down and start a family here in Finland. Great jobs, full holidays, good neighborhood to live in with financial stability. Sounds like a dream place to be in your 20s, doesn't it? But even we have almost all the things we want in life at this point, there is still something missing. For both of us. Luckily, it is the same thing. Desire to experience true freedom by traveling around the world with no responsibilities, no ties to one specific place, and no schedule determined by other people. This mutual dream has been there with us from the start of our shared journey. We both have been fortunate enough to experience traveling from a young age, but most of the trips have been just short holidays at some touristy resort without a real connection to the local culture. But still, throughout the years of our lives, trip by trip, the desire to see, experience and being part of something unfamiliar has gotten stronger and stronger. And I have been thinking where all this urge stems from and what it is that we can learn from traveling. Maybe I should ask someone who has a lot more experience about traveling and what it can give to a person.
Ja juuri tämä, että saa niin kuin hirvittävän paljon erilaisia vaikutelmia erilaisista kulttuureista, erilaisista maista, erilaisista olosuhteista, niin se on niin kuin opettanut minulle hirvittävän paljon.
So, we quit our jobs and told all of our friends and family that we are going to leave Finland for 1.5 years to pursue our lifelong dreams. We sold some of our stuff and slowly started packing the rest, what we wanted to keep, and take to the warehouse located in Emma's hometown. During the moving, it was super nice to spend a little extra time with Emma's side of the family, make some traditional Finnish Christmas pastries, and enjoy early snowy winter weather. We also went to take a last look and say goodbye to the summer cottage, which had already put on winter mode earlier during the fall.
Frozen sea, spending time at the cottage in a calm, snowy landscape was exactly what we wanted to experience before leaving Finland behind.
Hyvää joulua! No niin, tulee.
Everything with all the stuff we needed to take care of had been going perfectly so far. Until one day we got really concerning news from Iceland. The magma has started to rise closer to the Earth's surface with a big risk of a large volcanic eruption.
Looking at these latest pictures from Iceland, it doesn't look good.
Tonight, travelers are stranded in all on 6 continents.
And we had already bought the plane tickets, and if the 2010 situation would happen again, we would be in big trouble, without jobs and without a house to live in. But we didn't let the bad news affect our plans, and we kept packing our stuff, preparing the house for sale, and spending as much time with our friends and family as possible. The hardest part of all this change isn't quitting the stable job, selling the stuff, or the house that has been in the family for 3 generations. The hardest thing is to say goodbye to all our friends, family, and the animals, knowing that we are going to be next 1.5 years on the other side of the planet, far away from home. Luckily, we have the best supporting people in our life who cheer for us, to chase our dreams. Without all these people's support and help, this journey wouldn't even be possible. And here we are, 2 people with backpacks and a plane ticket, about to start the journey of our life.